Hi, I'm Suraj Barjatia. You're watching Bollywood Hangama.
So the music is doing pretty well, and I think almost all the songs, the way they have been appreciated is wonderful, and I think it augurs well for a movie anyways. And your music has always been legendary, be it the title track or Prem Leela. Jalti Diya, I think, is something that a lot of people I've personally interacted with, youngsters. I think that they're loving it, even though it has like a bit of a ghazal feel to it, and the entire music somewhere that Bachpan Kahan, which is something that I think Salman personally likes a lot. To Taraiya, and one song Salman says that it's like Gujia Gujia. So he likes that. He calls it like the Gujia Gujia song. He says that it reminds him of ice cream, lime juice. That's very classy. And he actually sang it for us in that much ice cream, lime juice. So your thoughts on the music of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo?
Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is a beautiful journey that I've had with Himesh. Again, the credit goes to Salman Bhai, because we wanted to once again, have the Ram Lakshman music for our film, because this film deserves that. But Lakshmanji doesn't keep too well nowadays. So I went to Salman Bhai and he said, he looked at me, he said, Suraj, this is your script. There's no one better than Himesh for it. And we sat, and honestly, in the first narration, Himesh he doesn't know instrument, just he sang, and we locked about 5 to 6 tunes, including the title track. Including so it's actually, I've spent 7 months on music in general, but in half an hour we locked 4 to 5 tunes, and he gives me his best. And I've never seen any music director who wants to change the tune so fast.
Yeah, he does.
I've locked, and he said, no, I want to change, I'll give something else, and I have to lock him, then it's all done.
Even in terms of instrumentation, I think the music arrangements are very, very detailed.
And his greatest strength is a simple words, simple hooks, simple thought, simple Indian. So, and a lot of credit to Irshad Kamil, because first time.
Yes, we spoke to Irshad ji recently, Irshad bhai, and in fact that's what I spoke. Kabhi aisa lagta hai ki there are lots of sukh dukh jhoote, dhan bhi jhoota, jhoota moh maya, सच्चा मन का वो कौन जहाँ प्रेम रतन धन पाया. Very, very nice lyrics as well, I think. He has written wonderful.
I worked a lot with Irshad ji earlier. So I wanted to bring this combination which was coming after long. A lot of people asked me, Irshad ji, Himesh ji, how will they work? But it's just over discussions and script narration to such a, and everyone tried their best to represent, the emotions and the feel. And with Irshad ji, Himesh ji, whatever may be the commercial, we all said, no, let's do the justice to the film. And for all of us, the Ram Ratan Dhan Payo, Lata ji ka jo gana hai, that was the base.
Bilkul.
So Irshad ji just took it forward with Sukh Dukh Chhote.
Ji. In fact, Salman and Sonam, they're launching a song in Delhi today.
Oh, okay.
of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. I'm sure that you're aware of it.
Yeah.
So, and what is your favorite song, sir, from the entire album, if you'd like to pick
For me, it is the title track.
Prem Ratan Dhan Payo?
It's the title, because it's that dhan, which of unconditional love, purity of love, whether with the woman, whether with the man, whether with your family, which the more you give, the more you get. Which Irshad ji has written, that ye jo dhan hai, it's all about dhan. If you hear the song, it's all about the dhan. So that Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Kya baat hai. So in fact, in your movies, apart from the fact that people just love the entire family feel to it, there are certain other attributes which I think we would like, which become very popular, which become extremely popular and trend setting. So we'd like to talk about them as well. We've already spoken about the music. Music, I think, looks like a total chartbuster, and I'm sure that once, and ये भी आपकी खासियत है आपके फिल्म्स की, that एक बार फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद पिक्चराइजेशन के साथ आपके गानों की वैल्यू जो है और बढ़ जाती है. The way it happened with हम आपके हैं कौन, and which I think people still remember that. Music is done. Now, sir, coming to choreography, because चाहे वो मैंने प्यार किया कि अंताक्षरी हो, चाहे और भी मैंने प्यार किया में इनफैक्ट गाने थे, और हम आपके हैं कौन, तो खैर it is like legendary in fact that we've had. So if you can talk about the choreography in Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, sir.
Actually, my choreographers, have the hardest time with me, because एक बीट के लिए लड़ता हूँ मैं, और मेरे कोई गाने ऐसे ना ड्रीम सीक्वेंस होते हैं, nor are they actually just song for song. They are always woven into the script. There I have to involve all my characters. So it's very difficult to work with me as choreographer. But in this film, Shabina Khan has done the maximum of the songs, and she is lived the film with me, and she's amazing. A very graceful performer herself. So whether it's a title track step which I owe to her, which has become so popular today, or Jalte Diye. Then Ahmed did one football song with me, which will be revealed later.
Ahmed Khan.
Yeah, and that's a big item, and full family playing football, you know, because
Sure.
it's जैसे घर में हम लोग कई बार छुट्टी के दिन डाइनिंग टेबल पे स्टील के बर्तन रख के टेबल टेनिस, so everyone playing football, you know, घाघरा चोली. Choreography for me is nothing but telling the story musically. So Radhika Mine did a song for me in this Prem Leela. So songs have been a part, and maximum effort of mine goes in picturizing songs.
Absolutely.
And storytelling, that is choreography, and that I think in music is very difficult, but that works, you know, that makes the song so real and so different.
जी बिल्कुल.